dorime, Iterimo attappare dorime, ameno, latile no, dorime.
Okay, so I just created a static website and hosted it using Google Cloud Platform. So I thought I'd record a couple videos going over some tutorials and do a review at the end of it. The next website I create will most likely be hosted on AWS, so I'll try and do a compare and contrast with that as well. So for this first one, I was just going to go over quickly how to add a 404 page to your website. So we have this website here. It's tyrannosaurus.com. It's for a fake boba company. And so to show off what our current configuration is, or what our current 404 experience is without any configuration, we're going to go to a destination that doesn't exist, like say tyrannosaurus.com/boba. And so we get that not friendly XML page like that. So we want to fix that. So the first thing to do is to upload our 404 page to the site. There's a lot of nice resources out there for creating custom 404 templates. Kapwing has some nice illustrations you can use. I myself just did a quick and dirty edit using Pixlr to show off my terrible Photoshop skills. So I've already done that. I've tested it locally, but I just want to upload those files. So I'm going to go to my project dashboard on Google Cloud Platform, the console, and I'm going to go to, under resources, click on my bucket that hosts the static assets for the site. So like I said, the first thing I want to do is just upload the page itself and the resources I need along with it. So I'm going to click in there, get to see what my current files are, and I'm going to drag over my 404 page as well as a JPEG file that is going to be referenced by my 404 page. Okay, so I've uploaded both of them. So now the next thing I want to do is edit the website configuration so that it references that HTML file when we're getting a 404 error code. So that's pretty easy. So I don't think you can see it on this actually. Let me move this window for a sec. So it's this little button right here. You hit that, then you can get to your website configuration. So now that I've opened up my website configuration, I see I already have my index.html file set up, but I don't have my 404. And so I called mine 404.html, so we're going to do that. Yeah, there we go, it already knows it. Saved it, and it should be good to go. I don't have caching turned on for my site, so it should be automatically reflected. So I'm going to go back to our website, and I'm going to now go to tyrannosaurus.com/boba. And there we go. Grandma needs a new pair of boots. Thank you.